Dirty. Really? It's not hot for you if you only take shower once a day? What about when you get home from work, you never take shower? You just change your clothes? Hindi ka naliligo pagdating mo sa
Grabe
bahay?
naman.
O sa trabaho? Hindi ka naglalabar ba? Hindi? Yung naglilinis ng katawan?
Naglilinis.
You said no. I thought you don't, because you should clean your body before, after work, especially in the bar. Because, not in the bar, because it feels good when your body is fresh. And then your pose is fresh. So your tomboy lesbian girlfriend, if she lick it, she tastes like ice cream. What's wrong? What happened? What do you want to share to our viewers?